Curious what the housing market may look like for the rest of 2026? I'm going to wait for mortgage rates to come down. Man, I wish I had $1 for every time I'm asked this. No one has a crystal ball. However, data doesn't lie and can give us true guidelines. The situation of mortgage rates is a little complicated. Earlier this year, rates briefly dipped their toes into the fives. But since the conflict overseas started in February, rates started climbing, inching higher and higher. That's why just about everyone wants to know when they'll come back. But the answer isn't quite so simple. In a nutshell, it all depends on what happens with inflation and tensions abroad. Expert forecasts agree rates will remain in the sixes for the remainder of this year. Now let's take a look at oil prices versus mortgage rates. The blue line is the price of oil per barrel, and the red line is the 30-year fixed mortgage rate. They rise and fall together. Both rates and oil prices started their climb in February when the conflict began. But now that the oil prices have started to come back down, mortgage rates possibly could too. It's too soon to say exactly when that will happen or by how much they will fall. But if energy prices keep going down, inflation cools off, and tensions overseas ease, mortgage rates could come down for the second half of the year. But don't hold your breath. Okay, so where are home prices headed? Even though the number of homes for sale have improved, inventory growth may be starting to slow. And if mortgage rates come down, more buyers could jump back in. That combination could push prices a bit higher, not like we saw back in 2021, but to a more normal level of growth. That's why buyers shouldn't assume waiting will guarantee a lower price, and sellers should feel some relief as if they were worried about their home's value. And as a side note, headlines are always going to draw attention to the negative because negativity sells. Smart home sellers and buyers draw their conclusions from data and true facts, not media hype. Let's talk about how all this may impact your next chapter. I'm Lisa Kelly, Lakeland Homes Lifestyles with Premier Realty. Let's connect.